Penny with SwissWatchExpo. Today I'm looking at two great watches that could definitely be a beautiful his and hers pair. These are two 18 karat yellow gold Rolex watches. The one on the left is the iconic Rolex Day-Date President. This is the traditional 36mm size, and the one on the right is the 26mm Rolex Datejust on the President bracelet. Like I said, they both are on these beautiful President bracelets, such an iconic piece of jewelry and watches just in general. And they also pair so nicely with this Rolex fluted bezel, which is such an iconic staple of the Rolex line. They also have these really beautiful and mysterious looking blue vignette dials, which I think is such an unusual component of these two watches. They're really unusual dials to find, and we have two of them in a great, perfect his and hers pair. They also have these gorgeous diamonds on the dial which sparkle in the light and just add that little touch of glam. These watches are a great choice for a newlywed couple or maybe a couple that have been married for a very long time. Or if you already have one of these, you can definitely pick up another pair. We've got a great selection of Rolex watches, so you should check them all out at SwissWatchExpo.com.